To manage your shifts, click on the hamburger menu located in the top left corner of the home screen. From the menu, select Daily Shifts. This will take you to the Daily Shifts screen. Here you can see a list of daily shifts organised by date. You can use the toggle button at the top to switch between weekly and monthly views. If you need to generate new shifts, click on the Generate Shift button. This will automatically create shifts based on your preset configurations. To add a new daily shift manually, click on the floating action button FAB with the plus icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Add Daily Shift screen. Here, you need to provide the details for the new shift. First, select the shift date from the date picker. Then, choose the start time and end time from the respective time pickers. Finally, input the number of workers required for the shift. Once all the details are filled in, click the Add Daily Shift button to confirm and add the new shift. Upon successful addition, a confirmation message such as Shift Added will be displayed.